Alright, we're on the other side of the land here, and we're doing a little exploring, see what we can run into. We're kind of in a newbie section right here. You can kind of see the center here was the road where it was open, and they kind of backfilled with all these new cars. But off to the sides, you'll find, like, you know, stuff like this. Looks like a Duster or a Demon. Something on the front fender. Small 8 motor. Couple of Pintos. Oh, Duster over there. I'm going to keep working my way right through the woods over there, Mick. Is that a fastback?
Yeah.
Celica. Had a 70, I think it was 73 Celica fastback. Love that car. Coupe rather, sorry, it wasn't a fastback. An 18R motor in it. What's this thing? What's this beast of a car? Can't tell. Little lonely Vanagon. Yeah. 4-door Maverick. I know there's 2 GTXs back here. They were. Duster and Le Mans or GTO. I think keep going down to the bowels of
I think that's the end right there.
yeah.
There's the locomotive.
Is this thing a Galaxy? Can't even tell what it is.
This here?
Yeah.
Take a view at the road with what's the one that Torino?
Yeah.
Torino?
I go with Torino. Find out by looking at the nose. Yeah. Right, head our way this way. All new stuff over here.
84?
Yeah, it's all new.
It's not new.
Well,
27 years.
yeah, I know, it's funny. One time I was riding, I had one of my TWs in the back, and the bike's an 87, and the kid at the gas station was in his 20s, and he's like, boy, that's an old bike, what's that thing? And to me, it's like, that's not old. You know, I got old stuff, but that's not old. And then I thought about it, and the bike was older than he was, so I guess he's, from his perspective, yeah, he was right.
Absolutely.
So I'll know that when I start talking around guys that are in their 60s and 70s.
It's all relative.
Yeah.
You forget.
Look at some old stuff back here.
You know, I must be better now because I'd be huffing and puffing now if this was Old days,
See, you got a benefit of quitting smoking.
I guess.
You can make it through the. It also helps that it's like 70 degrees.
Well, yeah, but I mean, I know I'd be helping the puffin bug.
It's another one of those.
Do we know?
Yeah.
Almost the
Or
same
Trino 500 or Galaxy 500 or yeah, same color combo. This one's still got the motor in it. Big valve covers. Not much left of that.
Camaro?
Firebird or
Oh yeah, it's got the
Yeah.
little thingies there. Yeah, Firebird, right?
yeah.
Let's go with that right there, isn't it?
Yep. That's an early one too.
What do you say?
You got some old stuff right here. Another Firebird. A couple of them. Firebird with a Dodge hood. Oh, the 70s. I had a hood scoop on a 6-cylinder Duster that looked like that. It's ridiculous. Yeah, it was a 6-cylinder. Yeah, I wonder why I don't drink anymore. And another one of those. That's a Javelin, that one. Early 70s Mustang. A Jeep. A couple of Jeeps. It's like a 48 Ford pickup. Still haven't found the 67 Mopars yet. Remember, one was the GTX. I think one was a Satellite, but one had a big block in it. And again, somebody may have scooped it up, you know. Old Toyota. I think possibly up here to the left if I remember correctly. You may have moved stuff around. As I said, it's been quite a few years since we were here. Sorry about the bouncing. Surface is not exactly smooth. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff up here to the left. Well, the time that we were here, it was in the spring, so you didn't have quite as much brush around, but you had a ton of water. I remember a lot of, you had to kind of like figure out like this would be like 2 feet underwater right here. Little dips in the road. Yeah, I bet you it's up inside there. I remember I had to go dig. bunch of people are gonna write, why didn't you stop and look at that car or this car? You can't, it's just too many of them. Yeah, let's go this way. I think I'm getting warm. This looks like more of the stuff that's been sitting for a while. Capri. What the hell is that? A Cadet. It's like a Datsun or a Toyota. I don't know what a Cadet is. Opal. Is your battery turning your car over? This is how Pisser does his body work on his Mustangs. Oh, we got a whole bunch up there to look at. Alright, you know what? I'm probably going to go click you guys off on this one. And I'll restart. I've been filming for a while. Thanks.